And I can even kill if I have to. Because I'm a bad boy. But where are my parents? You are my parents. My good older brother and sister decide me where I live. Look what you have done to me. You pampered and spoiled me. Neglected. You forgot that Yaya was intelligent, slower than mine. While you go about your dinner and gambling sessions. Thus, far away from me. Longing for a father's love. And yearning for a father's care. I saw the company of my own kind. The company of other children who have been left for their own devices. We are getting serious. The soil thing. So you will not insult, so just because you have been bad yourself. Perhaps I'm the most notorious member in the society where I live. But circumstances that I find, it's not my own making. It's not you who made the society where I live and the family that I grew.
Sakit-sakit ka kaya? Once upon a time, I was excited. Yes, it's a playboy. She playboy.
Everything changed. They order for time on your parties, poker, and my own table. Thus, drifted far away from me. You've been landing on the headlines of the newspapers and feathers, rocketeers, and crooks. Now you call me names, accuse me, and punish me for everything that I do. You did it yourself. Tell me how good you are. Pain and sorrow gonna suffer. It's a burden in your mind. Every obligation that you have is a curse against yourself. Now you want to ensure I give you more of your time and attention and protect you from every evil influence that protects my very own existence. If you really want to ensure my future, hurry! Hurry back where she'll wait for you! Then it was really bad. Please, you've got to help me.